Hello, my name is Kevin, and today I'll be teaching you guys about some computer science concepts. Today we'll be learning about linear search and jump search. So what we're going to do is we'll be finding the weight of certain of these 9 objects in front of me. So you can look here. First, we have this toilet paper roll. Next, we have this this pillow in front of me. We have my right shoe. We also have my bag over here, my school bag. We have this Hello Kitty plushie. We also have this chair. We also have my philosophy textbook, and we also have this giant ball that I found. So that's what we'll be doing. So now we'll be measuring the weight of these, and we'll be back. So now that we're done weighing all of the objects, now we can do the first search, being linear search. So linear search is very simple. You go from left to right and you look for the object or like the number that you're looking for. Very simple. So for example, we need the weight 9 of this blue ball. So now I would go from left to right looking for number 9. So this does not weigh 9 pounds. This shoe does not weigh 9 pounds. This textbook, this pillow, this Hello Kitty, this chair, all isn't. But once we get here to this blue ball, it is the same number that we're looking for, number 9. So then there we go. And then we can go back to where we were originally, and we can go from 1, and we can count the objects to see where weight number 9 was, to see where it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is object number 7, and then that's all you need to do. The end. Okay, now let's try to look for a different number. Let's say number 100. So again, we would go looking through all of these objects and look for it. Not 100, not 100, not 100, not 100 pounds, 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 not 100 pounds. Now, once you have seen through all of the objects, you see that there is not the number that you're looking for, then that object does not exist. Then you're done. You just give back a number. You just say it doesn't exist. The end. So now we'll be doing something called jump search. Jump search is similar to linear search, but instead of looking one object one by one, you'll be jumping by a certain number. In this case, since we have 9 objects, we'll be jumping by 3. The reason why we choose 3 is because the square root of 9, so the total number of items, the square root of that number is 3. You can learn about what is square root and how to do this in higher maths. It can be explained later. So let's start jumping. Let's say we want to look for this Hello Kitty, the weight of this being 4 pounds, right here. So now, after that, we can start jumping by 3. So we can start 1, 2, 3. Now we're at the textbook with a weight of 2. Now with a weight of 2, we have to do 2 things. One thing, we have to check if it's higher or less than the number that we're looking for. So of course, 2 pounds is less than 4 pounds. So you would keep on looking for it. If this object over here was less than 2 pounds, then you would go back to where you previously started, and then you would continue jumping. One thing to note, the objects must be arranged from either lowest to highest weight or highest weight to lowest weight. One of the two, either way can work. So now we can start. So after we're here, we have to continue jumping because 2 is less than 4. So we keep on jumping. 1, 2, 3. Now we're at the chair. The chair has a weight of, let's say, 7 pounds. Now, because it's 7 pounds, it is more than the pound that we're looking for. 4. So now we have to go back to where we previously started, which was over here. And now we start doing linear search, which I talked about previously, and we start looking. So we check here. This is not 4 pounds. I mean, sorry, yeah, 4 pounds. And then now we check here. Oh look, it's Hello Kitty. And then we have our 4 pounds, and that's linear search done. And of course, and then we can count which position it's at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. If if you keep on jumping, so let's say I want to look for number 100, all right, 100 pounds, and then I would continue jumping by 3. 1, 2, 3, not 100 pounds, and it is less than 100. 1, 2, 3, it's not 100 pounds, it's less than 100. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm at the bag. It is not 100 pounds, it's less than 100. It does not exist. Or if I want to look for, I don't know, 0 pounds, all right, I start from here. 1, 2, 3. I'm at 2. It's not 0 pounds. It's more than 0 pounds. Start back from the beginning. I check 0.5. Half is more than 0 pounds. It does not exist. So that is linear search and jump search. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it. Bye bye.
Now for a challenge problem. Where is weight 18 using linear search and jump search?
Buy a Bible, lay in bed, start praying. You don't have a chance, kid.